In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize both manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to enhance your website's design and functionality. This walkthrough will guide you from the very beginning all the way through making edits and applying them to your Wix site. To start, head over to the Discover section of Wix Studio. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL manage.wix.com/studio Discover. Once you're there, you'll find a variety of tools and resources aimed at streamlining your Wix experience. Next, you'll want to click on Sites. This section provides an overview of all the sites you manage. It's here that you'll be able to see your projects listed, which is perfect for keeping track of multiple sites at once. Clicking on a specific site will take you deeper into its particular settings and customization options. Once you've selected the site you wish to work on, click on Edit Site. This will redirect you to editor.wix.com, the heart of your website's customization tools. The editor is equipped with numerous features to bring your creative ideas to life. In the Wix editor, one of the essential components to familiarize yourself with is the Highlight tool. Clicking on Highlight allows you to select specific page elements you want to focus on, such as text or images. This makes it easier to ensure consistency across your site. Now, if you want to modify your site's visual elements, you'll start by clicking on Image. This feature lets you manage photos and graphical elements, allowing you to upload new images or choose from Wix's extensive library. For updating text, click on Text. This opens up the text editor where you can enter, format, and style your textual content. Make sure your text is readable and fits well with your overall design aesthetic. The strip feature is ideal for adding horizontal sections to your page, while the button tool allows you to insert functional buttons for user interaction, encouraging visitors to perform actions like signing up or purchasing an item. If you'd like to add custom code, such as HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, the embed code option is your go-to. For instance, you can choose to display an external website in a window on your site by selecting the relevant option within this tool. Remember to click on Apply after making changes to ensure that all your edits are saved and reflected on your live site. This step might seem minor, but is crucial for not losing your work. Lastly, you can use the Highlight tool in additional sections to make further adjustments, ensuring everything looks just right. The Wix editor empowers you to refine each detail, from layout to content. Congratulations on taking these steps towards enhancing your Wix site. With these tools at your disposal, you have the foundation to create a professional, engaging online presence.